Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is gonna be a first time cooking experience again. So I'm gonna make something I've never made before. If you can tell by these ramekins, that something is crème brûlée. I've never made crème brûlée. I don't even know what it tastes like. I've never even tried it. But I have been doing my research and looking for a few videos, so hopefully I can get it perfect. So first we need to whisk some stuff, so let's get this out of the way. Okay, so first thing we're going to do, we're going to get 6 eggs. Well, a 6 egg yolk. We need to separate the egg from the yolk. So I'm going to try this method I saw online and see if it works. But this yolk is splitting already. I think it was like you put it. Alright then. That didn't work. I'm gonna try one more time. Maybe that one was just okay. It seems like all the yolks are splitting in this egg, so let's just do that. Because for some reason all the yolks are splitting. So we crack your egg, you separate the whites from the yolk, like so. It's very careful. You're basically just draining it, making sure the yolk doesn't break like it's been doing the past 2 times. So like that, that's all you need. There's your lovely little egg yolk, and it's going. Let's get this bit out. See, it's already breaking now. But that's cool. So that's one. That's 2 actually. Now we're going to grab half a cup of sugar. This is we're using granulated sugar. This is about 100 grams. 100 grams of sugar. Yeah. So half a cup, 100 grams. Pour it in. Whisk. Apparently it's meant to be really creamy and smooth and pale, so that's what we're looking for. So I believe this is the texture that we are looking for, so I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna add about a teaspoon of vanilla. I'm gonna keep every last drop is going in. Might add a little bit more actually. About a teaspoon and a half of vanilla. This one I don't know if I like very much. Yeah, about a teaspoon and a half going in. And then we're going to carry on whisking. Cool, so I'm happy with this texture. I hope you guys are too, because I'm about to carry on. Okay, so now I have to pour about 500 grams. This is 250 ml. So how do I measure 500 grams? Do I have to get the scale out or something? Oh, 2 cups. Okay, it says 2 cups, so I know what that is. I got that. So this measures up to a cup, which is 250 ml. So nice. This is whipping cream, by the way, double cream. We're doing this for double cream. So we're going to add 2 cups or 500 milliliters of whipping cream. So pouring that in to medium heat pot. I was about to say pan. You guys know already, I always make this error. So that was one. So that's going in. So our whipping cream is in, and we just have to heat it until it boils around the edges. So let's see, I'm gonna quickly give it a stir. I'm gonna catch the rest of it in my hand. feel like it's not warm enough yet. So I'm gonna give it a stir and leave it there for another 2 to 3 minutes. And let's see what happens. Okay, my silly self forgot to press record. So this finished heating up. So I started pouring this into there and whisking. And that was it. So you didn't miss much. But just make sure you pour it in slowly because it is warm. So you want the eggs to cook. I guess you can say cook. Eggs don't take that long to cook. So now I can start pouring in properly. So I'm starting to pour faster now. And we're done. Okay, so I've got a measuring cup now. So I'm going to pour this mixture into a measuring cup. Yikes. Sorry guys for the covering. Then we're going to get our ramekins. I'm going to pour these into our ramekins. I've got 4 ramekins and a ceramic bowl. I'm really hoping this water doesn't crack these ramekins. We're going to pour boiling water into these. I think that's okay. Just be careful when you're doing it. Then I'm going to pour the creme brulee. Well, it's not creme brulee yet, but the creme into it. I think this can make about 5 or 6 for me. Yeah. So that's how much you can fit at the moment. Then we're going to put it in the oven for about 30 minutes at 150 degrees. What the hell is this on top of it? It looks like it's already done. Let me scrape it off. Let me scrape it off. So it looks like I did it perfectly. My viewers will never know. So we have finished cooking all of the creme brulees. I'm just going to take them out of the water bath. This is still hot, so I'm going to move that out of the way. Also, don't worry about the bottom ones. They look a little bit more cooked than the top ones because I have a hot oven and you know, yeah. It needs changing, but it's all good. I still like the way it came out. I think I'm just gonna leave it to cool at room temperature, which these ones have been doing anyways. So I'm gonna let these cool down for about 10-20 minutes, and I'm gonna put these in the fridge. I'm gonna put them for at least 2 hours, and then we're gonna do its thing. One thing that you should know about creme brulee is that it has a sugar top. So I ordered a blowtorch today. I just haven't received it yet, so hopefully by the time that the blowtorch comes, it'll be like within 2 hours or so. So time to put these in the fridge for about 2 or so hours. So look, it's all jiggly. So that's how it should look, I think. That's not jiggly. We'll just look at this one. But it's all jiggly. I think it's the custard. So yeah, these are going in the fridge. Okay guys, my blowtorch has arrived. I'm just gonna open it. And see what's inside. I think that's it. Oh, instructions. Okay, so we're coming up to the final stages of our creme brulee. I'm going to take up one pretty one, just so you know how it was supposed to look like, but I messed it up. So I don't discriminate. I'm gonna eat it regardless of how it looks, but these ones are for the gram. These ones are for the gram. Granulated sugar, and sprinkle a layer of sugar onto our creme brulee. So do the same for this one. I'm just using a very small latte spoon. So just sprinkle it around like so, so it's evenly distributed. Okay, I just, yeah. And then for this one as well, the same thing. Just gonna evenly distribute the sugar across this thing. There we go. I'm just going to caramelize the sugar on top. Yes, guys, we're making crème brûlée. Okay, so that's one done. Let's do number two. Okay guys, and we are done. We have made crème brûlée. Guys, for the first attempt, what do you guys think? It's not bad, is it? It's not bad. Normally this would be a disaster, but it's not actually that bad. So we're gonna let it sit for about a couple minutes, and then it should have a glassy surface. And with that glassy surface, we should be able to break through, and yeah. Okay. So after a few minutes, let's see how this has turned out. That sugar glassy surface. Now let's break through it. Okay, guys. Wow. Okay. That's nice. That's very nice. It's not too sweet. I thought it would be really sweet because I did have a little taste when it was baking. It's not as sweet as I thought it would be. I'm quite happy about that. That's so good. My goodness. Oh my god. And not bad for a first try at all. Guys, highly recommend making this. I really hope my video was thorough enough for you guys to follow, because boy, this is good. This is good. Alright guys, you guys have been amazing. Thank you for watching. As always, just drop a like if you really like this video. Comment your thoughts if I reply to a lot of my comments, and subscribe if you want to see more. I actually got dessert right, guys. I actually got dessert right. Gosh, I can't stop eating this. I don't want to share it. Alright guys, see you in the next one.